Hi dear children, welcome to this video. Today in our biology class, we are going to learn about different types of animal tissues. They are epithelial tissue, nervous tissue, connective tissue and muscular tissue. First of all, we are discussing about epithelial tissue. See, this is the structure of epithelial tissue and which covers and protects our body parts. And where are the other location which lines the inner wall of the digestive tract? Okay, in the 7th standard you studied about the digestive system. It is a long muscular tube. It's then is that pipe, inside that pipe which is covered and lined by this epithelial tissue. Okay, for the digestive system in this digestive system, some part of the digestive parts or gland which produces some secretion like enzymes, hydrochloric acid, then mucus. Okay, that is production of secretion from epithelial tissue. Then the small intestine is the area for the chief absorption area. Then that means after digestion all the nutrients are absorbed through the small intestine. So absorption is the function and it cover the body part, so that is the protection is the function. That's about epithelial tissue which cover and protect the body, which lines the inner wall of the digestive tract and performs functions like protection, absorption and production of secretions. So next is nerve tissue. So what are the main role of the nerve tissue? It is made up of nerve cells and the individual cell is called the neuron. You studied in 6th standard. And it's a millions of these nerve tissues are accommodated in brain and spinal cord. Examples, okay. So what they are doing? Yes, they perform, control and coordinate all physiological functions. Like the brain is the main center of all activities, like all sensory actions like vision, hearing, touch, then smell, taste, then speech area, imagination, thought, center for thought, imagination, creativity, everything inside the brain or in the brain. And another thing, balance, body balance and muscular control means control and breathing and respiration, breathing and heartbeat. That is controlled by this brain. Okay, so these nerve tissues helps in control and coordinate all the physiological actions. Then it enable to respond, identify the changes inside and outside the body. Okay, so when you have a feeling of thirst and hunger, it's from inside our body part. So that stimuli is recognized by this neuron or nerve tissue and informed to the brain, and we can analyze or we can just recognize the thirst and hunger. The next is muscular tissue, that is around the body, which provide body movements. How it provide body movement? So these are made up of muscle cell that can contract and regain its original state. അതിന് സങ്കോചിക്കാനും അത് വികസിക്കാനും, that means അത് ഒറിജിനൽ സ്റ്റേറ്റിലേക്ക് പോകാനും അതിന് സാധിക്കും. Then that is why it enable the movements of the body. So last one, connective tissue. So what is connective tissue? So this bind other tissue together. Examples: bone, cartilage, fibrous tissue, blood, tendon, ligament, etc. So what are the functions of tendon and ligaments? Tendon that connect muscle to the bone. Okay, tendon which connect muscle to the bone. Okay, which connect muscle to the bone. Tendon which connect the muscle to the bone. Then ligaments that connect bones together, that connect both bones together. And another function of fibrous tissue is that hold the eyes and kidney in proper place. Okay, eyes and kidney in proper place. Eyes and kidney which hold eyes and kidney in the proper position. Okay, proper position. Then, now discussing about bone and cartilage. See, that are connective tissue which helps in the body movement. Okay, that helps in the body movement and provide shape, support and strength to the body. Okay, ശരീരത്തിന് ആവശ്യമായിട്ടുള്ള ആകൃതി ശരീരത്തെ താങ്ങി നിർത്തുന്നു, ബലം നൽകുന്നു. Okay, so besides that they cover the protect the internal organs like brain. Okay, internal organ like to protect the internal organ like brain, heart and spinal cord. I'm sorry, heart, brain, heart, then lungs. Then spinal cord also protected by the backbone which is passes through the backbone. Okay, no problem, that's not wrong. Okay, the next is I'm telling about the fluid connective tissue. See, actually this blood is a fluid connective tissue and which carries out various functions like transporting respiratory gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide and also some nutrients like sugar, amino acid like that, and provide immunity resistant. Okay, which provide immunity and resistance. Actually transport of respiratory gases by the function of RBC, so which contain a hemoglobin which is inside this RBC which transport oxygen and carbon dioxide. The immunity, which part of the cells control immunity? So that name is WBC, provide resistance against disease. So that is about blood, bone and cartilage. Then fibrous tissue that hold the eyes and kidney in proper position, and tendons that connect muscle to the bone, ligament that connects bones together. So this is about connective tissue. Children, so today we learned about 4 types of tissues. Animal tissue, first one, epithelial tissue, protection, absorption and secretion. Nerve tissue, control and coordinate for physiological functions. Then muscular tissue, enable the body movement. Connective tissue, it is most diverse and largest in number in our body. Maybe it's protection and support, definite shape, connect the tissues together, and body resistance, conduction of materials. These are the functions of connective tissue. Thank you.